How to switch your account in Zenless Zone Zero. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can switch your account in Zenless Zone Zero. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, you need to open your PC and you want to play the game, then you can simply open the game. But if you have multiple accounts of Zenless Zone Zero and you want to switch the account, then you should follow some steps which is shown here. First of all, you need to open the game like you usually do, launch the game. Now access to the settings menu, which just looks like the gear icon. You will see the menu icon typically represented by a gear icon similar to symbol. So it's on the main screen only. You need to visit the main screen for that, which you will see after opening the game. Now log out of the current access. When you go to tap on the setting option and scroll down, you will see the very option of logout. Now tap on the logout option and confirm your logout. After confirming, return to the login section. Again, return to the login section because you want to switch your account and you want to enter to the next account. Now returning to the login screen, you need to log into your another account that you have. Now set the password and set your username or email. Now start playing simply. That's how you can simply log into the other account from one account in the Zenless Zone Zero game. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.